Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel PantherSchools. My name is Amit Singh, and here in this video I'm going to announce a new integration series with a low code tool. But before I go ahead and announce that integration series, let me tell you that we have completed the phase 2 of our Salesforce plus WhatsApp integration series. So all the videos has been uploaded. You can see that those videos are there in the playlist. You'll get that into the pinned comment of this video. And now the new series that we are going to come up is with a tool called Mulesoft Composer. This is a no-code integration tool. We can really integrate more than 25 plus systems using Mulesoft Composer, that too without even writing a single line of code. So if you are excited, showcase your excitement into the comment section, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe the channel. Also press that bell icon so that you don't miss any notification from our channel, any new series that we are going to come up with. And yes, this is going to be a completely free series for you. So showcase your excitement and we will meet into the next video. Thank you.